Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Jenny Luco Arts. My name is Jenny Lukovic and it's a great pleasure to show you another abstract painting. Yesterday was Christmas, so Merry Christmas for everybody. And yesterday, after all the foods and stuff ended, I was like, I want to paint. I was like missing because during the whole week it was so much busy and I couldn't do anything. I was painting my atelier and was a mess. So I was like missing so much to do some painting. So one accident happened. Um, something fell off on the top of my painting when it was still wet. So I have to scrape all the canvas and do that again. Yeah, that was sad, but I'm not sad at all because that one is way better. So if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to touch the bell to see the next video. And this year I have lots of plans for that. Stay with me. Let's start it. As I told you before, there was an accident yesterday and I had to start all over again. It's a little difficult when you redo a painting because it's very important to cover the entire surface of the previous one so that it doesn't show. But it is totally possible to cover and make a new paint on the top of the old one. I will put the description below, all the colors that I use, so then you can check later. You can stop when you think it's necessary or keep playing until it feels like you want it. Yeah, the painting has to make you happy when with what you're seeing, or you won't feel good when you look at it. I don't know why I thought that this canvas was still missing something, and I kept stretching and putting more color until it looked like this. That's what I'm talking about. I loved the result, and let me know if you like it too. What would you do different if that's the case? I'm waiting to see what your comments below. All right, have a good night, have a good week. Ciao, ciao.